Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will be showing you how to withdraw USDT from Bybit to bank account. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First, open your Bybit application. After logging in, then you need to click on Assets at the bottom right corner. From here, you need to select Unified Trading, and after that click on transfer button. Once you landed on this page, then you will have to convert your all funds from your trading account into funding account. Select the coin and select the amount of USDT and then click on confirm and came to home page, and then you need to click on P2P trading. Once you landed on P2P trading, then you will have to select the currency. Simply at the top right corner click on the PKR, and from here you will have to search for your desired currency. Simply I will search here for PKR and select it. At the bottom right corner, profile, click on profile and scroll down, and here you can see payment method. Click on payment method, and from here you can add your payment method. Just click on add now, and then you will have to enter in the search bar for your desired bank account and then enter all your bank details, and the Bybit will automatically add your payment method into P2P trading. Simply back from it and click on P2P. After that, search for verified buyer that buys your USDT. Then simply click on sell because we have to sell our USDT. Then the buyer will send us the conversion of our USDT into PKR form into our bank account. Select the verified user and see the ratings of that buyer. After all these detailing, click on sell button, and once you landed on this page, you will have to enter the amount of USDT, and then it will convert the amount of USDT into the PKR form. After that, you need to simply add your payment method. Also, it will by default adding. After all these details submitting, click on sell. You will have to send the request to the buyer, and the buyer will get all your USDTs, and after 10 to 20 minutes the buyer will send the conversion of your PKR rupees into your bank account. And that's it. Now you know how to withdraw USDT from Bybit to bank account. If this video found you helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.